Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I'm just now starting this vlog and I don't know what I've been doing with myself because I was off yesterday and today and I've really accomplished next to nothing. And I've been trying to take it really easy because I have had this really crazy pain in my abdomen for 3 or 4 days now. And I don't know what it is, but it hurts so bad. It's not constant. It just feels really awful. So but I wanted to say hey and start this vlog because it's Wednesday and I actually work the next 9 days straight. I'm gonna be super dead after that, and then I have my weekend off and I'll be exhausted, but hopefully I will find some time to film some videos in between there. I do need to get at least one more video filmed and ready for sometime this week, and I do still have a video with all of my pogs that I ordered that I never put up for you guys, so I need to edit that. I've just been watching The Office all day and being super lazy, so that's what's going on. I am gonna eat some dinner. I think I'm gonna wash some makeup brushes and try to get my vanity cleared and organized so that I am not just working with complete clutter all for the next 9 days straight. Manners, excuse me. What are you doing? No, no. You're always trying to eat some plastic. And you're showing them that I'm eating Sour Patch Kids. Sorry. Yes, more Minute kisses, okay. We all see how handsome you are. You handsome devil. You handsome devil, you. Alright, Minners, tell them bye. We're going to talk to them later, okay? Say bye. You going to say bye? You going to get in my lap? Okay. Talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Wednesday night, and in preparation for my really long 9 days straight, I'm going to take a nice relaxing bath before bed. I've got some wine over there. Let's not focus on that. This one's one of my favorites because it's really nice and moisturizing on the skin. This one's really foamy. Ooh. Oh my god, it came apart. Eee. I'm gonna take that bath and then I am going to watch some videos. I always keep my iPad right there, and that's usually the time that I watch YouTube videos, is in the bath. So that's what I'm gonna do for the night, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Thursday. I just got home from work and I actually went ahead and filmed a little video. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it though. I did 3-word product reviews to make it challenging for myself, and it was a challenge, but it wasn't really funny, you know? So I don't know. I may look at all that and think it's awful and not even put it up, but if you've seen it, you can see that I did not make that decision. But I didn't show you guys a few days ago, I got the Deck of Scarlet. I did order this with my own money. I decided to try it out, and they always have somebody who is the curator, and this time it's Roxette Arisa, and I actually started watching her maybe a month or two ago, and I really like her. I love her vlog channel, really silly. But I ordered this. It comes with 2 pencils, an eye pencil and a lip pencil, and then it comes with some eyeshadows and face colors, and then it's got little lip pans down below. So I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna do a whole video trying it and creating a look, so be on the lookout for that. I will probably film that one day next week. So I work today and then I've got 8 more days straight. Not looking forward to it. I'm still not feeling the best. I've still got that weird pain in my abdomen. I don't know if I told you guys about that, but it's super painful. So hopefully that will dissipate soon. And then I also got a order in the mail from Ulta today, so I've got a box, and I thought I would open it up and share some of it with you guys. I'm also gonna have a big makeup haul soon. So I should have a ton of things that I've gathered up. A lot of it I've already shown you guys in my vlogs. So I ordered a lot of stuff from Makeup Revolution. Oh goody. Oh goody, it's all spilled out. The blur primer, apparently the lid was off and it got pumped out or something. So I'll clean that up. They were having some really great 5 times points, so I got some NYX glitters. So I got Lumilight. That is just, okay, there we go. I was dang, it's not gonna focus. I got Goldstone and Dubai Bronze. So they almost look kind of similar, but that's Goldstone and that's Dubai Bronze. You can kind of see the difference. And then I also picked up 2 more sprays from Pacifica. I got a backup of the one that I just bought because I really liked it. It's the Coconut Essence Hydro Mist, and I feel like I can throw this in my bag and use this all summer long. My skin's getting a little parched. And then I also got this, oh, this one's got like little, oh, this one's got crystals in it. I was like, it has shaky things, but it's got like a little crystal in it. It's down, ooh, it's down here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. But I got the Crystal Power Hydro Mist. That one smells a little bit like Lush. But anyway, I like those. So I've been dabbling in some new Pacifica stuff. I got the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Makeup Revolution Soph X palette. It looked really pretty. It's got like all these colors in it. I got a blush palette. I got a brow pomade in blonde. I got 2 shades of the concealer that a lot of people have been raving about. I got Aqua Seal eye primer. Do they not have a foundation? I thought I ordered foundation, but maybe they just don't have one and I'm crazy. Ew, and it's gross. Like, you can see where it spilled out in there. And then I got a brow pencil. I could have swore, I guess I did get both, but I thought that I took the pomade off. I didn't remember getting both. So at any rate, and then I got this Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit. So these I think are supposed to look like Kylie lip kits. That's what it looks like there. So just a lot of stuff to try out. So I'm gonna do like a basically full face of Makeup Revolution, and then I actually have another brand lined up for you guys, which I will show you in the haul, and then obviously do a dedicated makeup video. I got the setting powder. I got the just luxury baking powder in Ghost, which is like the white one, because I'm just used to wearing like a totally white translucent powder. And then I've got to clean up this freaking primer that's spilled everywhere.
Hi, do you want to say hi? Come here. Hi. Sally's hanging out. You say hi, baby? Ugh. You okay? This is what she likes to do sometimes.
So I'm home. I am going to edit and hopefully like the video that I just filmed so that I can put that up for you guys tonight, because tomorrow I work late and it's a long shift, so it's gonna be next to nothing tomorrow. So I am gonna go do that and hang out with my kitty cats, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Sunday. It is almost 10 o'clock and I'm trying to get a few things done before I go to work. And I do work kind of late tonight, so I don't go in until 2. So I was going to show you, I got a bunch of little things. I got my gratis, but I'm not going to go through it right now. I'm going to film a video for that. You guys know I just love to do that. But I did get that, so that will be coming up soon. I went to Walmart yesterday before work to get things for Cinco de Mayo. So I got these leggings because I saw a woman in Sephora wearing them. And I thought they would be really cute for 4th of July or for the beach. So they have red, white, and blue popsicles on them. And they're like a capri legging. I just thought this would be really adorable. And especially with that bag that I bought that looks like a popsicle from Target. That was in, I think, my last vlog or the vlog before. So I thought these were really cute, and they're only $5. I also ordered another one of these from eBay. This is the one that I got in my FabFitFun. It's like the eye mask that's got the cooling gel pack in it, and I really, really love the one that I got. I got the gray one, and I was also considering ordering the editor's box because you can choose the mint colored one. Like, I really like them that much. So I don't know, I feel like this really helps me go to sleep more easily. It's cooling, it definitely blocks out the light, but I love it. And I paid $20 for it. It is like vegan leather, They generally are like $40, but I just paid $20. I also went to Victoria's Secret and I had a $20 off rewards card that was going to expire today, and I knew I didn't want to go today, so I went ahead and picked up some things yesterday. This is all underwear, so if you don't want to see underwear, skip to this time right here and you can avoid that. So I mainly just got really comfortable ones. I feel like I just needed more like staple, comfortable, like regular around the house underwear. That sounds weird, but I just wanted like comfortable things. So these are hip huggers, and they're just like this cute stripe in the front and lace in the back. They're ruched in the middle. Thought those were cute. These are, I think, would be maybe good to work out in because they're like a lightweight material, and it's an ombre. This is just...
Okay, this is just a, hey, the cats are like in all the tissue. Hey, quit. Really, bruh? Minner's just trying to eat the tissue paper. Okay. Do you want them to see? Do you want them to see what you're doing? Minners, no. He's like a goat. Minners, they can see you. See what you're doing. Stop eating the tissue paper. No.
Okay, so these are just a regular bikini, and they're just this really soft, almost like a workout shirt material, and they are in like an ombre. And then I saw a bunch of these like different styles that had this like band on it that was kind of glittery, and I just thought it was cute. Just like a staple normal pair of undies. This is also a hip hugger, so it's like a lavender-ish color, and it's not really showing you guys what the sparkle looks like, but it's like a iridescent greenish. I had to get these. I thought they were freaking adorable. This one is a cheeky pair, and it is velvet in the front. And then it's just like a regular cotton in the back, little cheeky. And the band is got like a little velvety strip to it. I actually was looking for more like in different colors, but I didn't see any. And then these are typically my most purchased kind. These are just the cheeky ones with the lace trim on top and bottom. It's like a floral lace detail. Also got that in a pink. Then I got another, these are all a bunch of glittery strip ones. I think these are all hip huggers. No, I got this one in a cheeky, and it's like a light turquoisey blue with a silver glitter band on it. I got also in tan, same kind of silver band. Oh yeah, so I got one like boy short type pair in black with a silver glitter. And then the last one, I just could not pass it up. This is, I think, a regular bikini. Oh no, this is a hip hugger. Hip hugger with a little cactus on it. You guys know I love cute stuff, and the cactus have been really cute lately. So that's what I got. So with my rewards card, I only paid like $37 for 10 pairs, so it wasn't bad. I was trying to pick up things for my friend at work he's leaving. Today is his birthday, and it's his last day at work, and it's inventory day. So bless his heart, because he's not gonna have a good day. I bought this case, and I had to open it to make sure it was like smooth, but now I realize he's not gonna like it because his phone is rose gold, and he doesn't like that it's rose gold. So I'm gonna... hopefully Zach will go to Walmart for me so that I can get stuff done. But we're gonna see. I wanted to get him something plain, and then I get him this nice pop socket. It's like silver, and this one's one of the ones that feels really sturdy, but he's been wanting one of those. I got the pop socket from Target. I also got 2 pair of socks. This one just has a kitty wearing a scarf on it. And then these are so cute. They're little sharks. I ordered the Flights of Fancy box. I was really excited to see this, and the shipping came really quick. So I'm going to try to film with this today before I go in at 2. But I'll give you guys a little peek at what it looks like. It looks really cute. I can't wait to play with these. So very summery. Got blushes, eyeshadows, lip gloss, liner, setting spray. You got the watermelon lip scrub, and then I also ordered it in the orange. At least I think it's orange. There. And the last thing I have to show you guys, I went to TJ Maxx. That's actually where I picked up that phone case, but oh well. I'm gonna give him that too in case he ever wants to use it. I got these 2 little set of koozies for me and Zach, hopefully when we go to the beach. The pink one says always on point, and the blue one says thirsty. thought they were really cute. Again, cacti. And I saw some new NYX sets, or like new to TJ Maxx sets. So this is the Beyond Basic, but it has some cute like warm tones in it. And then it comes with a matte liquid lipstick and an eyeliner. I don't know, I just thought it looked kind of cute, and it was only, this was $9.99. And then they had this little set, which is one of their holiday sets. It's got eyeshadows, cheek colors, and a lip. And this one is Bangkok, and this was only $5.99. I saw this Betsy, like, I guess this is more like a wristlet, like carry everything. Not just a wallet, but you could use it as a wallet. It's so cute. It's pink with little lipsticks all over it. I also purchased this on a whim. It's Mythical Body Sponges, and they're just like sponge on the back. Oh my god, it's a unicorn, it says believe, and it's a rainbow. I don't know why I got these. I may give these to somebody at work because I know somebody would really like them. But okay, the last thing I saw were 3 Stila lip products. So there were 2 lip liners. These were $3.99 a piece, and then there were 1 of the Stay All Day liquid lipsticks, and that one was $5.99. Now this is the shade Note. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I do really like the formula of theirs. So this will definitely be like a pretty wintry color. It almost looks super dark in the swatch, but it's more of a really dark berry. I got 2 lip liners. I got Sangria and Zinfandel. So Sangria is the brighter one, and Zinfandel is that softer kind of dusty pink. Very different colors, but I'm excited to see if they'll continue to get more in the future. But that's everything I've been doing the past few days and everything I've been purchasing. Too much. So now I'm going to get this vlog up for you guys, and then I'm going to try to film a video before I go to work, and I work a long shift. So, and this is day 4 of 9 straight for me. So I still work Monday through Friday before I'm off. Today's Sunday, obviously. So I'm trying to fit some videos in. I actually have one filmed already. Do I? Yes, I already have one filmed to share with you guys. So I will have 2 if I film this one today. So I'll be all set for the next few days. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was pretty simple and it's probably pretty short. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.